be quiet because mommy's sleeping. So this is what we're going to do today. We are going to, what do you think this is going to do? It's going to splash, but maybe before we start we should put this on. Okay, let's put, because we don't want to get all wet. Put this on, let's put this in here. Okay. Swimming, you're gonna get wet maybe, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Put these on. Okay. And then maybe some goggles. Think you should put your goggles on? Okay, let's see. See if I can do this. Let's go over your head. Let's see. Is that bad? Is that good? No. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to help. Is that better? Okay, perfect. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's take these Mentos and this Coca-Cola. Shh, you gotta be quiet before mommy comes out here. Here you go. Take one of these. I'm gonna open this. Let's see what happens. Let's put one of those in there, and then let's see what happens. What's going to happen? Oh!
What is that?
What happened?
What are you doing?
Oh! We won't mommy out!
You made a mess.
Oh, we won't mommy out!
It looks good.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Good.